My name is Gil. I've been selling high-end kitchens for the last 17 years. I started off as a part-time job while I was going through college, and it tended to be something that I loved to do. I started selling just refrigerators and ended up moving into the high-end kitchen. I left a competitor to come to Universal because they actually have an elegant showroom. They have more to display, they buy in bulk, and they have availability of product.
Here we have our hidden dishwasher by Gaggenau. It's a push open, controls on top, stainless touch control. You're gonna have plate settings, stemware, adjustable. All the tines drop down. You're gonna have an adjustable rack that you can do in 3 sections. Again, tines that'll be able to adjust and drop for plate settings or cups. Cushion stemware. Cutlery rack on top that you can easily remove in case you have something tall on the bottom. Water softener added to the dishwasher to clear any chalky film inside of your dishes and glass. Come see the Gaggenau Dishwasher at Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center. Ask for me. My name is Gil.